Trash is piling up everywhere.
Yeah, if this keeps going, it will just make things harder for our environment.
The problem, we often use disposable items like this cup.
Yeah, every day there are always plastic cup waste like this. Such a sand is just an out of stress. There's got to be a way to make items like this not get thrown away right away.
Wait a minute. What if we try to repurpose this? That makes some DIY craft from plastic waste.
That's right. These cups get thrown away so often. We could make something creative out of them. Totally agree. Let's brainstorm some design.
First, prepare 2 plastic cup, a marker, and a ruler. Draw 7 equally spaced lines around the edge of the first cup, then cut along the lines. This is what it looks like after cutting. For the second cup, give it a different design by cutting it into a different shape. This is what it looks like. Next, wrap wool thread around the entire surface of the first mug until it is completely covered.
A few moments later.
Tie it tightly when the weaving process is complete. Cover the top with the sand yarn and glue. It in place with hot glue. For the second cup, I will see the unique shape created from the previous page. Fold it slightly at the edge. From the previous page, apply glue and attach it to the first cup to make the vase taller. Start by preparing tear off the left side of each plastic. Then tear out the bottom. Open it and fold it in half. Now cut along the fold. Apply double-sided tape. Then fold the plastic back as before. Now cut the plastic into thin strips like this. This is what it looks like. Next, stick the double-sided tape on the stick. And wrap the plastic around it like we did before. This will help make the flower look longer. Look at this. Trash that would normally be scattered everywhere has been transformed into something magical. A vase adorned with flower. Looks beautiful. Even have market value when transferred further. And nature deserves to be beautiful. Let's start protecting by turning waste into something meaningful through eco-creation. Take care of the environment, manage your waste, and avoid volunteer everyday trash.